back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is ariannamaee and I'm in a plus size fashion. So today's video we are doing a SHEIN try-on haul. I have 11 items for today's videos. I have a few dresses, I have a few bottoms, I have a few tops, very like summery spring pieces, more on the summer side, but also just a lot of really pretty prints and colors. I am very excited because I have not done SHEIN in a while, and so I cannot wait to see what I got. Everything that I will be sharing you guys today will be listed in the description box below, as well as my stats so you can check out my measurements, and links to my Poshmark closet so you can shop my size. Now without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first item I have to share with you guys today is this gorgeous dress. It is called the SHEIN VCAY Plus Floral Print Tie Shoulder Ruched Bust Cami Dress. Got in a size 3X and it was originally $15.49. This dress is stunning. The silhouette is just so stinking cute. It does go right to my knees, so it is mini length and it does fit me very well. There is a little bit of extra room in the chest, but you can't really tell because when my arms are down, it covers it. I think this dress is so stunning. I love the color, I love the print, I love the silhouette. It really just gives definition to my waist and my hips. I think that it is super cute. The material is very thin. It is a cheaper brand, so of course the material is going to be cheaper, but it's not see-through at all. It does also have a smocked back as well, and it just looks so cute. And then this is like a self-tie strap, so it's adjustable, and then there's also a bit of stretch up here if you are bigger chested than me. I'll go ahead and show you the back. So this is what the side looks like, and this is what the back looks like. So the next outfit I have to share with you guys today is this outfit. The top is called the SHEIN Utility Plus Solid Asymmetrical Hem Tank Top. Got in a size 2X and was originally $5.99. And the bottoms are called the Plus Ripped Raw Hem Denim Shorts. Got them in a size 4X, which is a size 20, and they were originally $21. I have so many good things to say about these shorts, so we're just gonna start here. Usually when I buy denim on SHEIN, it sucks. It's not stretchy. It's very rigid. The material is crap. These pair of shorts are probably the best fitting shorts I've had in a very, very long time, and that says a lot. I just find that other brands like Rue 21, Torrid, Lane Bryant, their shorts don't fit me proportionately because my waist is smaller than my hips, but these actually fit amazing, and there is so much stretch to them. They do have a traditional button and zipper closure, front pockets and back pockets as well. They are functional, and they are kind of like a Bermuda short because they do go a little bit longer, but they fit me so well. The material is, like I said, very, very stretchy. Like I have a little bit of room, which is nice for when I sit down and stuff. Their cuts are so cute and trendy. I just love how it looks. And the best thing about these pair of shorts is that there is no back gap. So I will show you what it looks like from the side and then from the back, but there is absolutely no gap at all. Like there's stretch, but there's no gap, which is amazing. I haven't worn denim shorts in like 3 years because firstly I don't really like the look of denim shorts, but this year I want to wear more because sometimes I feel like I need a little bit of diversity in my closet, so I'm like, I gotta find a pair of denim shorts that fit really well. These fit amazingly, they're a great price, and I'm 10/10 keeping them all the way. The next piece is this top. This top is super cute, very trendy. There's no like boning in it, so it has no structure whatsoever. It is very, very stretched. It does have that wide square neckline, these thick straps, and then it is a cropped length. It does come down asymmetrically here in the front, and it does have kind of like a stitch pattern on it. I think it's really cute, but it's not something that I need in my closet. Like I will definitely wear this, but I don't need it. I have other things that I'd probably pick over it. I have no complaints about it. It's super stretchy, very comfortable, and it's not see-through at all. It's just not really something that I would get a lot of wear out of. So the next item I have to show you guys today is this beautiful top. It is called the SHEIN Mod Plus Tie-Dye Ruched Cami Top. I got it in size 2X and it was originally $6.99. This top is so cute. It's so adorable. I feel like I would probably see this on like Cider. I feel like Cider has a lot of tops like this, specifically in this style and in this color pattern too. I think it's really pretty. I'm definitely keeping it. Even in the springtime with like a pair of jeans, I think it's super cute, and I just love the color of it. It looks stunning. I don't have a lot of green in my closet, which is surprising, but I think this is a really cute top for the summertime. It is very, very stretchy. It is lined, and it is not see-through at all because it is lined, and it fits really well in my shoulders as well. So the next top I had to show you guys today is this top. It is called the EZwear Plus Heart Cutout Lettuce Trim Tee. I got in a size 2X and it was originally $7.99. I thought this top looked so cute on the model and on the site, but I just don't like it in person. I think it's just a little bit too cropped for me. It is a little bit itchy up here. It does have a lot of stretch and it's not see-through, and I do love this like heart cutout, but I just don't like the fit of it. Like I said, too cropped, very itchy. The sleeves are a weird length on me. It looks really good in the viewfinder, but I just don't feel that great in it. There's nothing like inherently wrong with it, like it's not poor quality, but it's just not my favorite. So this is the next outfit I have for you guys today. The top is called the Icon Plus Floral Print Tie Shoulder Hanky Hem Tank Top. I got in a size 2X and it was originally $9.99. And the bottoms are called the Unity Plus High Waist Wrap Hem Skort. I got in a size 3X and it was originally $12.49. So it's actually kind of interesting because both pieces are made of like the same material. It's like a non-stretch, like, I don't know how to explain it. Kind of feels like scuba knit, but like very, very thin scuba knit. It's not my favorite material in the world, but it's fine. Like, I don't really care that much. The top is super cute. It does have adjustable tie straps. It does have this cute little V-neck. The pattern is so like trendy, I feel like. I see a lot of people wearing this pattern. In the back is smocked as well. I think it looks really cute. I love the crop nature of it and the asymmetrical cut as well. The bottoms are also super cute. I love Skorts. I get Skorts every single year because I wear the hell out of them. I think they're so stunning. I don't have any like bright colored Skorts like this one, and I absolutely love it. It is a kind of like wrap skort, if that makes sense. The back are actually shorts and then just has like a light layover right here. There are no pockets. It does have a side zip and it does have like very minimal stretch to it, but I fit in it just fine. And the length is pretty good considering that a lot of Skorts on SHEIN are very, very short, whereas this one is not. Like, this is like my perfect length for a skort. So I'll go ahead and show you what the front to back ratio looks like. This is the side and this is the back. Okay, so the next item is this dress. It is called the VCAY Plus Ditsy Floral Print Puff Sleeve Split Thigh Dress. I got in a size 3X and it was originally $15.99. I hate this dress. Absolutely hate it. There's nothing about it that I like except maybe the print. It just has like no stretch to it. The slit is very, very high up. Like, it's just not flattering at all. These are a little tight on me and they're also itchy. The chest is too small. It doesn't even like fit it properly. It does have a zipper. I didn't use a zipper to get into it. I was fine, but if you need one, there's one. I do actually like this neckline, but I just don't like this dress. Like, I feel like it fits so horribly and it doesn't feel great either. So cute, especially like in the mirror and on the viewfinder. I just think it looks adorable. The top is called the Unity Plus Solid Crop Cami Top. I got a size 2X and originally $5.49, and the bottoms are called the Unity Plus High Waist Allover Print Flare Leg Pants. Okay, so looking in the stock photo, I realized that I was wearing the top wrong, so I had to adjust it. Honestly, I kind of like it the other way. I just think this looks very awkward, but we're gonna go with it. This top is super cute, but I definitely will not be keeping it. It is extremely see-through. I just don't like it at all. I think that like the feel of it is really good. I love the kind of ripply effect it has. I think it's super cute. I do love like the one shoulder aspect. If this was on the other side, if that makes sense, I just really like that, and I loved how crop it is, but unfortunately it's just too see-through for me. It is very, very stretchy, but just not for me. Now these bottoms are 100% a keep. I actually think I have these exact bottoms in pink that I wore when I went to see Demi Lovato last year, and I love these. I think they are absolutely stunning. They feel so good. They are a pretty good length on me. How far they go on 5'6" for reference. I love the flare leg. I love the silhouette. I love the color. I love the marble print. It is just so stunning. It's also super high-waisted, and I think it's a great fit for concerts. I definitely love like the white top, fun, marbly print on bottom trend. I do wear that quite a lot in my real life, but I just think it's stunning. I'm definitely keeping the bottoms. They're not see-through at all. They are extremely stretchy, and this is a good fit for me, but I am not keeping the top. The last item I have to show you guys today is this top, and it is gorgeous. I will have to say I had to take my bra off in order to wear it because it just looked awkward with the bra on, but I think it is super cute. There definitely is like no structure, so if I were to wear this top, I would probably want to get like tape on the inside to keep this up, because otherwise it just falls down by itself, and I have a smaller chest, so that is not good. So it is called the Plus Off Shoulder Not Front Ruched Bust Crop Satin Blouse. Got in a size 2X, though, originally $16.99. I think this is stunning. It does not match the pants, but we're gonna ignore that. I think it's super cute. I just love the off the shoulder aspect of it. These like huge puff sleeves. They are like kind of itchy, but it's bearable. It's not like the last item I showed on that was itchy. It does have tons of stretch to it. It did have a zipper to get in and out of. I actually used the zipper this time and I got it on just fine. And then it has like this tie front portion. It does have like that like kind of like corset-y feel to it. I don't know. I just think it's so cute, definitely stunning. I would probably wear it with a pair of light wash high-waisted jeans and it would look stunning. It's so cute. I love it and I definitely recommend it. It does also have like this, I don't know how to explain it, but you know that sometimes like bathing suits or tops have like a sticky part to keep it up? That's what it has. So maybe that will help. I'm not really sure. But if I were to wear that out in public, I would have to be very careful and not move around too much because I would be afraid of my girls getting loose. But I'll go ahead and show you the back of it too, as well as the back of these pants, because I don't think I did that in the last item. So this is what the back looks like, and I'll move back here so you can actually see, but super cute. Okay, you guys, that's officially the end of this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you like me and my personality, hit the subscribe button down below. I have a smaller channel, so I would really appreciate it. I have tons of new brands and videos coming your way, and I'm just really excited to get into summer because I love summer. If you liked any of the items that I shared in this haul, I will have them linked down below, as well as my measurements so you can check out my stats, and link to my Poshmark closet so you can shop my size. I said that differently than I usually did, so it probably sounded really awkward, but it's fine. I think that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye!